Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. OpenDoor revolutionizes real estate transactions by streamlining the often complex and stressful process of buying and selling homes. Instead of dealing with traditional real estate agents, showings, and drawn-out negotiations, OpenDoor presents a simplified, digital-first approach. Sellers can request an offer online, bypassing the need for listing preparations and open houses. OpenDoor then evaluates the property, leveraging technology and market data to generate a competitive cash offer. This provides sellers with speed and certainty, allowing them to quickly move on to their next chapter. For buyers, OpenDoor offers a curated selection of homes available for purchase directly through their platform. They can browse listings, schedule self-guided tours, and even unlock homes using their smartphone. This modern approach empowers buyers with greater flexibility and control over the home buying journey. OpenDoor aims to alleviate the friction traditionally associated with real estate transactions, making the process more efficient, transparent, and convenient for everyone involved. They are reshaping the real estate landscape, offering a new paradigm for buying and selling homes in the digital age. By leveraging technology, OpenDoor empowers individuals with greater control and convenience, transforming a traditionally complex process into a more streamlined and user-friendly experience. This innovative platform provides a valuable alternative to traditional real estate methods, catering to the evolving needs of today's homebuyers and sellers. Their commitment to simplifying the process, combined with their user-friendly technology, positions OpenDoor as a leader in the modern real estate market. Through continuous innovation and a customer-centric approach, OpenDoor continues to refine and enhance the home buying and selling experience, ultimately aiming to make the dream of homeownership more accessible and attainable for all.